Hey Divas, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I clip in my extensions. But first, I have an Ipsy that I got in the mail, and you know, I thought I canceled the subscription, but I got another one in the mail, so I thought, why not just share it with you guys? The one thing I did really like about Ipsy's was you got a bag, and I really like this bag, and it says, "And off she went to change the world." I actually really like that. I'm going to use this one. Tells me everything that I have right here. This is an Ofra Cosmetics Star Island Highlighter. This is the first one, the Berry Lip Fix. This is the Liquid Lip. Oh, this is a very pretty color. It's nice for, you know, summer, spring and summer. This is the lemongrass and green tea lotion. Oh, it has a little lock on it, but I bet that's going to smell really good. And then this is the polish, illuminating polish in Living Lovely. This is really pretty too. And then let's look at the highlighter. Like I said, this is just going to be a very quick unboxing of my Ipsy. Oh, this is really pretty, this highlighter. Not sure if you guys can see that. It's really, really gorgeous. And that was what was in my Ipsy bag. And I just want to say one more time, I really like this bag. If you guys haven't ordered any Ipsys, the products, you know, sometimes you get samples, and unlike a BoxyCharm, you don't get full like size products most of the time, but I really do love that you get a bag every single time. I have 2 of these right now in my diaper bag, and they just work great, so really love this. Now let's get into how I clip in my Gabby DiMartino hair extensions. For those that do not know, I got these for Christmas. My mom surprised me with them. They were sold out. I'm not sure how she got them, but you know, my mom just manages to do her thing. They're in the little case that they came in. I really like that, especially like if you go traveling. And then I love that it comes with a hanger where you can store your extensions so they stay nice. Because for those that do not know, hair extensions can get tangled up really easy. And trust me, I know from the past, especially not taking care of the ones that I've had and just, you know, they don't stay as nice. But this is my first time having Bellamy hair extensions, and I have to admit, like, they are really nice quality. So this is my natural hair. It is growing. I have a lot of different hair videos on my channel. I had short buzzed hair. You guys can scroll through my videos. I had buzzed hair on the side. It was very, very short. I've had blue hair. I've had red and black hair. I've done a lot to my hair, and over the years it's put a lot of damage, and now it is kind of, you know, doing its thing, growing out, but it's taking longer than I would like. So what I like to do is take some hair extensions and make my hair look longer than it really is. Let me just open it up. I really love this. You just push the hook like this, and then it will open up this little bar. Okay, so before I start, because I'm going to just turn around really quick, I like to take the biggest wefts and put them on the bottom, because there is a smaller 2-clip weft that I like to put at the top just so everything kind of blends well together. So let me get my pieces out that are going to go in the back of my head, just because I want to share with you guys what I am doing. So I'm going to take the 2 4-piece wefts and then the 2-piece wefts. So I'm going to put the 4 and then I'm going to put the 2 on top. Then I take the 2 3-piece weft, the 3 clips, and those go on the side of my head. And then I will come in with 2 on each side of the single clip wefts, and I will fill them in where I need to, closest to the front of my face. I like to just have everything kind of laid out. It's easier for me just to do my thing. So I'm going to kind of turn around. I don't need to look in a mirror because I've been doing this for so long now that I think I kind of got the hang of it. So I'm going to turn around and let's get into clipping our hair extensions. Okay, make sure that you have like a butterfly clip, because that will hold up your hair that you are not working with. So the first thing I like to do is start like right below my ears, and I just take my finger. Like I said, my part might not be perfect, but this is just how I do it. I will twist my hair up. I will clip it. We are going to put the 4-clip weft on top of that. Alright, so nice and clipped, I'm going to let my hair down and do the same exact thing. Just a little bit higher up. Okay, there we go. Let the rest of your hair down and do that one more time for the back of the hair. And because it only came with 1 2-clip weft, I like to put this at the top just to kind of even out my extensions on where I place them. Just like that. Let the hair down, and now I'm going to work on the sides. I'm going to work on this side first. So all I do is I take my finger kind of where my eyebrow ends, taking my 3-clip weft, clipping those down, and then pulling my other hair over. Now while I'm over here, I'm going to just come in, take 2 of the single clips and just fill that in. I like to go a little bit above, and then I will just take 1. And once you start doing this, like I've been doing this for years, so I can do it without a mirror, but just stand in front of your mirror, practice, see where you need to clip in your extensions for your hairstyle. The other 3-clip weft. Fold my hair over, clip these 2 pieces, and fold my hair back. Now what you should do is just take a brush just to brush out your hair. Hair extensions, as I mentioned, they do get tangly because, I mean, it's not your real hair. Okay, you guys, and that is how I clip in my hair extensions. There might be other videos on YouTube where they clip them in differently, but this is personally how I do it when I want to wear my hair extensions. I find that this is the easiest way, so I hope that, I kind of helped you out if you are learning how to clip in your own hair extensions. And as I mentioned, these are the Gabby DiMartino hair extensions, and I believe these are in 20 inches. 20 to 22 inches. I know that they were a lot longer than I normally wear, but I really love them. They're amazing quality. I love that when you order your hair extensions, you get a hanger that opens up perfectly to put your hair extensions in, and I love that you get a bag as well because that just keeps them nice. Nothing can get to them, and they're hanging. They're not just in a pile. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of seeing how I clip in my hair extensions. Hope it helped you out. Also, I know I've mentioned this in a few of my videos. Once I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will be having a giveaway. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.